and welcome to UEI Global. UEI Global provide the student best national and international exposure and experience.
Being a part of the education wing of Berggruen Holdings, UEI puts every aspiring student on an extraordinary path of education to employment.
Will need a vocational based program, but degree is also a constraint factor, which they need to be facilitated with. And that's where UEI Global came with a unique process of creating the vocational skill based program into a degree integrated basis.
UEI Global also offers online learning programs.
What's your name?
My name is Amit.
Amit, can I have Mexican sunrise?
Sure, sir.
Okay. I feel proud to see that UEI have a great infrastructure. For any company to succeed in the world, you need a better and great infrastructure.